In Ares Mechanical, you can also import STEP or IGES files. These are two very popular exchange formats for 3D product design. For instance, our engineering department has been working on a modification, and they want me to update the DWG drawings. This is the STEP file we have imported. I created 3 floating viewports to see it from different angles. While only geometry was imported, it is nice to visualize the object inside Ares Mechanical. Note also that the 3D geometry we obtained is made of 3D solids, so we can further use the 3D features that you can find in the 3D modeling workspace. For instance, a section like this could be used as a basis to make a 2D mechanical drawing. Note that it also works the other way around. You can also export a DWG drawing to IGES or STEP. To summarize, Ares Mechanical is a software that focuses on maintaining 2D mechanical drawings in DWG format. But the support for IGES and STEP enables some collaboration with 3D product design solutions.